with Tinker and Drake. We're here at the veterinary center. It is their annual exam for today. Actually, we're done. We're just waiting for Dad to go out of that facility so we can go home. There is Dad right now, and here is Tink Tink, and we have Drake right there on the other side. And they did a good job with the doctor. Yes, Mama? They did a good job. Mom and Dad not having a hard time with them. Here is my Drake facing Tink Tink. You're silly, Baba. Baba. So far, there is Drake. There is Drake, my silly boy. He did a good job with the doctor. So far, they are healthy. And they are good. Of course, at first they don't like it. But they are getting healthy now. So, we're good. I'm happy with that. Okay, we're going in. He's looking at Mom. Mom is not leaving, Baba. Mom is going with you. Just relax. Yes, Mama. There is Mama looking at Mom too. Why Mom is not in the car yet? Ah. They want me to get into the car now. Alright guys, we're going home. Thank you for watching. And that's Tinker and Drake for now. See you again later. Bye for now. God bless everyone.